There may be times when you want to update your chart of accounts with a new commodity. Perhaps you have just started producing it, or it may have been missed in the initial setup of your file. You can use the Commodity Wizard to quickly add several accounts to your chart of accounts. To get started, click Chart of Accounts on the left and click the New Commodity button. The Commodity Wizard will then appear on the right. Use the drop-down menu to select the category, the subcategory, the commodity, and the variety, and click Next. Ag Expert will present you with a list of new inventory accounts related to the new commodity. The account number is filled automatically using the Asset Accounts range, but you can change the number of the group accounts if need be. Review the information and click Next. The next step involves creating the income accounts needed for the new commodity. Ag Expert will automatically link income accounts to the relevant inventory accounts where applicable. Review the information and click Next. The next step involves creating the expense accounts needed for the new commodity. Ag Expert will automatically link expense accounts to the relevant inventory accounts where applicable. Once again, review the information and click Next. Review all of the information and click Save and Close. Click the arrow to select Save and New or Save and Print. And that's it. As you can see, Ag Expert is solid, simple, and built for the farm. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our customer care team at 1-800-667-7893.